Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be talking about pasta. Yes, that's it, pasta, right? So, what's important when it comes to pasta? Of course, the flour and then the egg. That's it. Okay, bye bye, guys. No, I'm joking. Nah, let's talk about the flour first, eh? So let's think about what makes pasta so special and its firmness. It's the protein content of the flour used for pasta making that creates these bites and elasticity. These proteins are also called glutens. All flour has glutens in them, but it's the process of mixing and kneading that also helps develop these glutens. But some flours do have more glutens than others that helps. So what flour is exactly good for pasta making? In Europe and UK there are flours called plain, all-purpose, strong, 00 and semolina, whereas in Japan there are not many to choose from. There are weak and strong flour. Sometimes you can get one in the middle. Weak and strong in this instance refers to the amount of gluten in this flour, so it would be wiser to go for the strong flour with more proteins in Japan. If you're in Europe or UK, go for anything with high protein content or semolina. So what exactly is semolina flour? They are flours made from durum wheat and has rougher texture that allows the pasta to hold its sauces better. So all in all, it's up to your preference, but I highly recommend looking for something that has high protein content. And now let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. Firstly, weigh the flour to 100 grams, then season with a pinch of salt. Crack an egg and whisk so that it's mixed well. We want the liquid content to be about 55%, so if necessary, add some water to the egg. Make a hole in the middle of the flour for the eggs to go in. Pour in the eggs in the middle and combine with the flour using a fork. Once it starts to mix, knead together the dough and make sure not to leave any flours behind. Transfer to a clean table and continue kneading the dough for about 10 minutes or until it's smooth. If the dough feels dry, we need to wet our hands and knead the moisture into it. Don't add water directly as it might be harder to adjust the water content. Once it's smooth enough like this, flatten with palm of our hands so that it can go through the pasta maker. Put it through the pasta maker and stretch it out until it is possible to fold it into threes. Make sure to stretch out the edges so it's nice and square. Try to make it so that it's the same width as the machine. Lay the dough on a plastic wrap and roll it so it's easier to store in the fridge, then rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Later, take the pasta out of the wrap and put it through the machine gradually. Start off with the widest settings, then gradually lower the gaps. Continue doing this until it's 1 millimeter thick. It's the tip, but once it starts to get too long, it's possible to attach both ends together so it can go through the machine in a continuous motion. But make sure to widen the gap as the attached section will be thicker. It's possible to check the thickness by holding our hands underneath it and see if it's possible to see through the dough. Cut to roughly 20 centimeters or any length preferred. Flour a bit so that it doesn't stick together, then put it through the cutting machine. Okay, this is just a bonus for you guys. I will show you guys how to make my version of pepperoncino. It's a bit different to the classic version. Cut the onions into dices. We don't need too much of this as it's only needed for flavor and nothing else. Cut the end of the garlic and discard it. then thinly slice them. We want to see their existence, so we will keep it this way and not mince it up. Slice the sausages into 5mm thickness. For the chilies, cut off one of the ends and discard the seeds inside, then cut it into smaller sizes so we don't surprise anyone. Dilute half a cube of chicken stock in a cup of warm water. Okay, all the prepping is done, I think. Pour some water and season with salt so we can do other stuff while the water boils. This way we can save time. Add plenty of olive oil to the pan. This is an oil-based pasta, so do add plenty. Add the onions and cook a bit until it sweats. Then add in the garlic and chilies. Once the garlic and chilies become fragrant, add in the sausages. Add in some white wine and cook off the alcohol. Then add in the chicken stock and reduce a bit. Don't add all of the chicken stock. Taste a bit and gradually add it if necessary. Cook the pasta until al dente, then add it to the sauce. Cook and mix well. Finish off with a bit of Parmesan cheese. Yo, okay guys, welcome back. Look at this pepperoncino, so good. Let's try it out. Oof. Look, looks so good. Perfect. Ooh, it's got a really good kick. It's quite spicy, ooh, but it has like a really strong garlic flavor as well. It's not too salty, The pasta is cooked nice and al dente, so it's good. Oh, the sausage is really good too, the chorizo sausage. So guys, I'm gonna go and finish this now. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.